right, so anyway, I purchased this, and I'm going to do some low voltage lighting. I bought these. I've got some extra line, and this is a 200 watt transformer, and it's got a timer and all that stuff on it, and I think it's going to be awesome. So we're going to check it out right now. All right, so let's pull it out of the box, see what we got. It's got some screws and things. Save those in case you got to send it back. And this is basically the transformer. Pretty simple, huh? There she be. And here's the information on the side if you want to take a screenshot of it so you can read it. And on this side. All right, so anyway, to hook it on the wall, you got to drill 2 holes that far apart, and it just sets on 2 screws. So that's pretty simple. So we got to get a drill. We're going to need a drill, right? Once we get that on there, we're golden. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put my wire lines on here, so I have my 2 wire lines on it, so it'll be easier. But this is pretty easy just to pull off. So that's what we're going to do right there. And then that'll sit right on the wall like that. And then this will run right over to the socket. So I think that's going to work. All right, so anyway, I had to make sure I've got the right screws so the heads fit in here. Slide up. That looks pretty good. That looks good. Right now we just got to measure it with the measuring stick. See exactly the distance. So it looks like it's about 3 3/4 is where we've got to drill it. 3 3/4. We want to have this up, probably put it up at least 24 inches up maybe, and keep it, maybe we'll do like 18. That gives us some room underneath. That should work. And we'll put that on the wall. And I don't know if I may have to put some anchors in. We're going to use the drill. And that's our next step. All right, so we're going to need a masonry bit. We got to use a masonry bit, so we got to figure out one that's close to the size of this. So you just got to kind of look. I'm thinking it's probably this one right here. Yep, that one there. I might have to get bigger. More like this one. I think this is the one we're going to need right here. So let's get that one out of there. That one's brand new too. So that's the bit we're going to use to drill in there to get our anchor and our screw in. So let's put that over here. So that's what we're going to need. And then we're going to need this to screw it in. So we're going to put it right on here. I just push it right on the front of it. And that holds it down in there for later. And now we can go ahead and do our work. So I've got to put it back here. I've got an old one back there and a timer, and I want to put it right back in there, so I'm going to have to move some stuff. And I'm on rocks, so I brought knee pads. So that's where we're going to put it, right underneath there. And so I've got to move some stuff so I can get back at it. I'm going to pull this out of here. Hopefully I won't break anything. Set her down over here. So I've got to move that too. Just going to pull it out a little ways. And I think I can just set it down for now. Right here. Oh, it's super heavy. Now I can get back in there and work on it. So first thing we're going to do is get this out of here. This is the old one. This isn't working very good. Pull it over here. You can put it right about here. Okay, so we've got our drill, and first thing I got to do is take these out, take this off of here. This is unplugged, of course. You don't want to get electrocuted. So we're going to just come under here, and we're going to go reverse it. Bam, that's done. And then we can just hook this right to our new transformer, right there. And this one's done. We can get rid of it. Put it over here. Now we've got all the stuff we need here. And all we got to do is mark it and drill it and put it on the wall. All right, so to get this job done, you're going to need a tape measure, maybe a Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head here, your drill bits, your anchors, and your screws. And I have 100 feet of wire, low voltage wire, that I'm going to hook up. I've already got this one set up, so we're going to first test it and see if it's working okay. And if it is, then we're going to put it on the wall. But anyway, back here, I had this old timer with a 120 volter on there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just take this one out of there for now. I'm going to pull this out, and we're going to hang on to this because we might use it in the back. So I'm going to set it over here. That one still works really good, and you can see it's got a lot of cool things on it. And then this one, what I've got to do is I got to plug it in over here, and then we're going to test it. All right, so let's do this first. We're going to get this close enough so that we can plug it in. I might have to get an extension cord. Let's set all this stuff over here so you don't lose it. Let's just pop this up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook these lines to this just to see if I've got any problems in the lines that I have already. So we'll do that first. And I might want to twist these. And then we're going to come over here. I think I already got these loose. So I'm just going to get them in there. See? So they're already coming. So I really got to get this open. Get that one in there. Then we'll close it. Nice and tight. Get this one open. And then we got to twist this so it'll slip through there. Just like that. And then we'll close it. Yeah, so that's that. So this is how they go on. Very simple. Slip them through, then you tighten them down. You don't want any threads hanging out, but it's not too bad. All right, so anyway, I'm just going to plug this in here for now, just so I can get this a little bit closer over here. And then we're going to plug in our this baby and just double check it. See how she's doing. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer over here. Just set it there. And we're going to put her in. Just put her in there like that. Bam. Right now, what I want to do is I want to see if everything's working good. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. Those lights are working. That looks good. So we know that's working good. Let's see if we got these lights on over here. Yep, that one's on. And that one is on. All right, looking good. All right, so now we can go ahead and mount this on the wall because we know it's going to work. And then we can hook up all of our extra lights. Okay, so anyway, let's get a hole in that. Open it. Okay, set that over there. And what we're going to do is we're just going to strip the one end for now, and we're going to hook it on to the transformer. Because once I put it on there, what I'm doing is I'm coming in between here, and I'm cutting it. Well, it's supposed to cut it, but I think I did it. I think I got it. I just got to strip it. So you pull them apart like that. And then this is pretty heavy, so I'm probably going to go to this first 110, twist it, and then pull. I might have to go down one a little bit more. Pull. There we go. That's what we want. So down here. Gotta twist it and then pull. Well, come on. The other one came off easy. I think I got it. There we go. Right, so we got, I mangled that sucker. So let's twist these. Twist them good. Get them nice and twisty. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you again. I'm going to put this up here because we already got our one We already got our one set on there, right? So now we got to do this one. So what I'm going to do is come around on this side, and you want to get all these little wires twisted good so that they don't smoosh out. I might have made it too long, but that's all right. So what we're going to do is loosen these babies up really good. Let's see if I can get a little closer here. Shot for you. So we're going to loosen those up really good. Of course, now the screwdriver's too long. See, the camera's right there. Okay. Then I'm going to push this through underneath there. I may have to go a little bit higher with this. Sorry, folks. But we got to get up here so I can get the screwdriver under it. Yeah, that should do it. So you guys get the idea, though. So we got to loosen it pretty good. And then what we're going to do is slide this under, just like that. Just get her under there. See how this one wire is popping out? I don't want that. I want that to go in there. Okay, then I'm going to tighten that down. I don't think it matters which side you tighten it on. And then we're going to do the other side. And get her through there like that. Get the screwdriver on it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I got to turn it to the right. See how my hand's moving? So there we go. Right there. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. All right, so this, you don't really want to have that there, do I? Push that down. Pull these to the side. And that should do it. So now we've got two sides hooked on there, right? And this one is going to be for other lights that we're going to put on. And this one's ready to go. Now we got to drill our hole. I'm going to put it right here. 1 and 2. Right there. So we'll drill our holes right there. And that should work fine. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can do it. Okay, I think we're good. Now we've got to put our, getting bit by mosquitoes. Now we got to put our 2 anchors and our screws in. Okay, so I've got some better anchors, which I think will work. Yep, they work right in there. Bam, done. Now all we got to do is change our bit. Take that off, throw that over there. Get our Phillips, put it on there. Ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and start them with our fingers. And then we just got to drill it right in. Okay, that's good. All right, I think we're good. Now we just set our thing on there and we're ready to go. Not bad, huh? All right, so now I just got to set this right on there and we should be good. Bam, done. Look at that. All ready to go. Woo! That was easy, huh? All right, so now we just got to plug it in. So we just bring this up, get underneath there, get her plugged in. And we want to make sure that this covers the plug. There, it's just like that. It's perfect. Okay, so that's good. You can see it's on and the lights are on. It's working great. So let's just go up, let's go down one, turn that off. So this one you want on figure 3. Figure 3 will have an A, you see that right there? If it shows an A, that's automatic. That means when it gets dark, it goes into auto mode and will turn on. And then at the dawn, it turns off. So that's what we're gonna leave it on, the auto mode, which will be the A. All right, so you're gonna need some of these. I got multicolor ones because I got so many back there. And first thing I'm gonna do is cut this right here. And to do that, I gotta come to the center piece here and just pop it like that. Should cut. Bam, done. Now we gotta spread it apart And these I don't want to lose, so I'm just going to set them over here. All right, I'm back. And as you can see, these are nice and sharp. So I can get in there like that and clip it. And then we can pull it apart nice and easily, just like that. And then we got to get in here and do the same thing that we did before. And you got to twist it first and try to get a little bit of cut on it. Let's go in here. Twist it and pull. Whoops. Guess we got to go here. Twister and pull. There we go. Looks like that's the one I got to use. Not that one. I got to go to this one, which is 12. So I guess this is because it's 12 gauge. I don't know. And I'm wrecking my other beautiful masterpiece that I got. There we go. Done. Alright, so anyway, I've got these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these with my the ends of these bad boys here. Of course, they're all tangled up because... Alright, so anyway, we're going to get to the end of them. We're going to put them all together. We'll just do one side at a time. So first I'll get this side. I'm going to get a big wire screw and righty-tighty it. Yeah, this one's better. Get it on there good. All the way down. And we'll probably put some tape over it too. And then we got to do our other one. And since we're going righty-tighty, what you want to do is twist it to the right, so that when you put this on, it screws right on down there. I'm going to grab some electrical tape too and put it on here so it gives us a little bit more even. All right, so I got some electrical tape. We're just going to go ahead and wrap these just to give them some extra protection because it is outdoors. I'm kind of wrapping them individually so that, yeah, like that. Just don't want too much moisture to get up in there. Getting eaten by mosquitoes, which I hate. So many frickin' mosquitoes out here. Alright, so that's going to work. That'll do it okay. Now we can just shove these babies in there. And then we'll put everything back and see how it works. Alright, so anyway, we want this on A. So I think I got to go 1, A, automatic. So automatic, this thing will come on when it gets dark. And that's what we want. And hopefully it's going to work. It's going to be behind a lot of stuff, but we'll find out. Let's just make sure it's not on. All right, good, it's not on. Now we just got to put these two lights in. So I'm just going to kind of stick them in right here. And then just kind of angle this one up. And then this one here, I'm going to just do it right like this. Right like that. I'm just wondering if the light coming on here is going to turn that off. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? I guess we'll find out, but we'll see. Right, we want to get these out of the way. Like that. So I push one in here and one in here. And I got it just facing right up because she wants it to come right up here in the corner. And I put that one there. And that should shoot straight up this way. Like that. So we just get some light right on there. And that should work. And now I just gotta lift this bad boy up, put the plant back. This thing's like about 400 pounds. Gotta get it straight. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we gotta put the plant on. All right, so that's that. We'll see if it works tonight. And we have success. Looks good. Working great. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff I've never done before.